Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks. Today we're going to unpackage and give you some first impressions on the Ringke Fusion-X case for the Xiaomi Mi 9T. Now, some of you may have already seen our video where we unbox this gorgeous Xiaomi Mi 9T. And the great thing is that Xiaomi decided to include a nice hard shell case for the device. So you can see there's a lovely case for it, which sadly covers the beautiful back. So sadly, I'm not too happy with the fact that I'm not able to see that lovely back to the device that makes the Mi 9T so special. And I decided to order this Ringke case on Amazon. It's £8.99 in pounds sterling at the moment on amazon.co.uk. I'll leave the link in the description. But as you can see, this is the gorgeous sort of glass refraction back to the device. And I really want to keep on seeing that. So first thing I'm going to do is wipe down the phone to make sure there's no finger marks on it. We'll put that down and then unbox the Mi 9T Ringke case. We've already seen a few of these on Tech Travel Geeks. This is the Fusion-X, the same as the one I have on the Huawei P30 Pro and the Google Pixel 3 XL. At this point, I'm quite a convert to it. But let's start with the packaging. It's pretty straightforward. It's a recyclable plastic case with a bit of a glue bagging to it. You open up the case and it has some clear instructions on how to remove the film from the transparent side of the case so that you can see through it, the protective level, and then how to pop your device in. So let's start by taking the protective film off the inside. You usually peel it from the edge. It adds quite an experience to the unboxing and preparation itself. Now, you need to be careful because some bits can get stuck in the corner. You can get ripped off if you're not paying too much attention. And that's the inside film. I'll take the outside one off once the device is in the case. And as you can see, there's space, clear space for tactile feeling of the buttons to the device. I'm going to pop the phone in as it is. That's where the buttons are. And then we're going to take the film protection off the back. Now, some of you may prefer to leave that on. I'm not going to judge you for that too much. And then the case has come off. So as you can see, apart from my reflection, there is the beautiful Xiaomi Mi 9T in the Ringke Fusion-X case for the device. We'll switch off the lights here so that you have less of a reflection, and you can see that beautiful sort of fiery flame-like reflection and light refraction coming off the sides of that curved glass back on the Xiaomi Mi 9T. And as you can see, there's perfect cutouts for the triple camera on the back. You get to see the Xiaomi logo through the transparent back of the Ringke Fusion-X case. There is a pretty perfect cutout for the speaker, microphone, and USB Type-C connection. And the same at the top for the headphone jack, the microphone hole, and more importantly, that selfie pop-up camera. So I'm going to switch the device on, swipe up for face unlock, and you'll see it's going to try and recognize me. There you go. So that's how it works. So it works perfectly well. There's my Pokemon Go. And you can just see that laser infrared blaster checking for proximity to the screen. But let's try that again. Switch the screen off. There we go. Switch it on, swiping up. Selfie camera. Works perfectly well. So face unlock still works. The selfie camera still works without being blocked. Just make sure you put the case on well. And at the back, there's that gorgeous red back. It really is a thing of beauty. So, this is the unboxing and first impressions of the Xiaomi Mi 9T Ringke Fusion-X case. It feels sturdy. It has a little bit of depth under the screen, so if you put it face down on a flat surface, it shouldn't damage the screen too much. But if you put it on a, say, rougher surface, you could scratch the screen. So it's up to you. I do recommend using a screen protector. The corners are nicely protected, so they could take a bit of damage. And you have all the usual cutouts. So I'm quite happy with this case. I can see the beautiful back. It doesn't add too much thickness. And more importantly, that pop-up selfie camera is really cool. It doesn't get blocked. So well done to Ringke. Great case for the Xiaomi Mi 9T. We'll likely review this case in full on the Tech Travel Geeks website. You can check that out at techtravelgeeks.com. And if you found this review and first impressions of the Fusion-X case by Ringke for the Xiaomi Mi 9T, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. That's Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. There you'll see not only the Tech Travel Geeks podcast, but our unboxings, our reviews of devices, including cars. So thanks for watching, everyone, and speak to you soon.